if you have your USB stick that contains your backup, I want you to just go ahead and then insert your USB stick. So when you insert your USB stick, you should get a notification. Okay, now I have a notification. A USB stick has been inserted. So what I want you to do, straight towards your left hand corner again, hit the media button, and this time around what we're after is the resource restore. So go ahead and hit it. You'll notice that the green radio button has moved down to resource restore. So again, towards your right hand corner there's execute there. So go straight to execute, and then there you select the USB, then head straight to where you have saved the backup. So I'm going to be restoring the Pa700 DKP. So that's the middle one there. That's the one I want to restore. It's highlighted. So, and then you hit the restore. Now this is where it gets very tricky. It depends on what you want to restore. Probably it's only the style or the user samples that you have made. So you can actually pick the exact thing you want to restore. But if it's the whole board, for example, your board was maybe something happened, or you did a factory restore by mistake and all this that, so you can just do the all. So when you hit all, everything is inclusive, and then you just hit the OK. Other than that, go ahead and select what you want to restore, hit the OK, and again you get this warning sign, are you sure? Yes. Wait for it. Data restored. Please switch off. So go ahead and then you switch off your KORG. Follow the instruction. You can turn on again immediately the power button towards your right hand corner. It's just gonna take a few minutes. Please, if you haven't subscribed to this channel, do me the favor to encourage me. Just hit the subscribe button and the like button, share the video, and thank you. So as we wait for it, that's it. So everything done,